10 surprisingly compact tractors that outperform giants. They weren't built to impress with size. They weren't designed to dominate the road. And yet, these compact tractors are redefining performance in the very places where their larger counterparts fail. Tucked into narrow rows, perched on vineyard slopes, pressed against stone terraces, machines like these deliver full-scale horsepower, lift capacity, and hydraulic finesse in chassis profiles barely wider than a mid-size SUV. They were made not for show, but for work. And when it comes to torque, control, and efficiency under pressure, these 10 models consistently outperform tractors nearly double their size. This is not about downsizing. It's about engineering that knows precisely where power matters and where it doesn't. Don't forget to press and hold that like button, leave a comment, and hit subscribe before we begin. Ranked 10th, Iseki TG6675, compact precision with utility class power. Measuring just under 1.72 meters in width, the Iseki TG6675 delivers over 1.5 metric tons of rear lift capacity, figures typically reserved for mid-size utility tractors. This compact machine from Japan is powered by a 2.2-liter Shibara 4-cylinder turbocharged diesel engine, generating 65 horsepower at 2,600 RPM. Combined with four-wheel drive and mechanical differential lock, it maintains reliable traction across uneven terrain and sloped orchards. Its driveline options include either a hydrostatic transmission or a 12x12 power shuttle gearbox, allowing for clutchless directional changes under load, critical for efficiency in confined rows and tight maneuvering spaces. The hydraulic system offers up to 71 liters per minute, supporting 2 rear remotes and a category 3-point linkage, capable of lifting 1,579 kilograms at the endpoint or 1,399 kilograms at 24 inches behind. This places it in the same working class as several larger machines, despite its compact frame. Operator comfort is configurable. The tractor is available in both open ROPS and fully air-conditioned cab variants, built for long working hours in professional settings. Designed as the flagship of Iseki's TG6 series, built to meet modern Stage 5 emission standards, the TG6675 reflects the company's long-standing engineering ethos. Iseki, a Japanese manufacturer since 1961, once shared technology lines with Porsche Diesel, and its approach to compact power remains precise and efficient. The TG6675 doesn't draw attention with size. It earns respect with numbers, controls, and results that outperform expectations in tight vineyards, urban gardens, and specialized horticultural zones. This is a machine that redefines the boundaries of what a compact tractor is built to do. Ranked 9th, Valtra F Series, vineyard compact with hydraulic authority. Narrow at just 1.3 to 1.8 meters wide, yet delivering up to 3 tons of rear lift capacity, the Valtra F Series strikes a unique balance between compact maneuverability and hydraulic power previously reserved for larger tractors. Built in Finland and positioned within the specialist cultivation category, the F Series ranges from 75 to 105 horsepower, driven by a Stage V-compliant 2.8-liter FPT 4-cylinder engine that offers improved torque and fuel efficiency compared to prior models. The chassis and front axle configuration allow for a 55-degree steering angle and a minimum turning radius of 3.6 meters, essential when navigating tight vineyard rows or complex orchard layouts. Despite its narrow frame, operator comfort remains intact with available narrow or standard cabs, both equipped with suspension seating, complete climate control, and control placements optimized for visibility and long-duty ergonomics. Users may choose from 3 transmission types: mechanical shuttle, power shuttle, and power shift, tailored to frequent directional changes in close-quarter tasks. Hydraulic performance is equally decisive, with up to 3 pumps delivering 60 to 90 liters per minute, 4 rear remotes, and optional front linkage, enabling compatibility with high-demand implements. Purpose-built for confined environments yet never short on technical authority, the Valtra F Series is a professional's answer to conditions where full-size tractors are not an option. Ranked 8th, Massey Ferguson 4700, global utility strength in a compact frame. Boasting a base weight of approximately 7,125 pounds, yet still agile enough for tight spaces, the Massey Ferguson 4700 series redefines what a utility tractor is capable of. Built on a $350 million engineering and manufacturing initiative, these models, ranging from 70 to 100 rated horsepower, are powered by a Tier 4 final age TCO power, built 3.3-liter, 3-cylinder turbocharged engine. Its common rail direct injection and 4-valve design ensure maximum torque, quiet operation, and fuel efficiency, all while eliminating the need for a diesel particulate filter thanks to SCR-only emissions control. Simplicity meets performance with synchronized transmissions, offering 12 forward and 12 reverse speeds, alongside power shuttle or dyno, two options for seamless directional shifts under load, backed by intuitive power control levers. Hydraulic systems within the 4700 provide open center-on-center flow of up to 65 liters per minute and support a rear linkage with nearly 3 tons of lift capacity, paired with accessible rear valves and optional electronic linkage control for precise depth and draft management. Configurable between 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive, with adjustable wheel spacing and a tight turning radius, this series delivers focused versatility across a range of specialized applications, from hay and dairy to loader work and land management. Ergonomic design permeates every detail, with control placement within easy reach, optional swivel air ride seating, fender-mounted hitch controls, and spacious cab environments that ensure operator efficiency during extended hours. Engineered, tested across multiple continents, and designed to shoulder demanding tasks, the MF4700 series wields utility-class strength without compromising maneuverability, making it a benchmark for tractors that should be as comfortable under operation as they are overworked. Ranked 7th, John Deere 5075GL, vineyard-sized full-scale performance. The John Deere 5075GL, with its low-profile body measuring under 4 feet tall and just over 4 feet wide, excels where larger tractors falter, sweeping through orchards and vineyards without disturbing delicate fruit or branches. Beneath its compact canopy lies a 3.4-liter EFPT 4-cylinder turbocharged diesel engine, rated at 75 horsepower and delivering 61 PTO horsepower, striking a balance between performance and environmental responsibility under Tier 4 emissions control. Its 24 forward/12 reverse power reverser transmission, equipped with creeper gears and electro-hydraulic high-low range shifting, ensures seamless directional changes and precise speed control essential for tight turn operations. A robust hydraulic network supports a flow of 96.5 liters per minute, with the option to ramp up to 126.4 liters per minute, paired with up to 4 rear selective control valves and a Category 1/2 3-point hitch, capable of lifting 2,549 kilograms, 5,620 pounds, behind the link ends. 4-wheel drive featuring Carraro DriveTech axles, a self-locking front differential, and multi-disc oil-cooled brakes underpins the tractor's traction and maneuverability. Service-focused engineering features a folding ROPS for extra clearance under low-hanging branches, a spacious operator platform, an intuitive control layout, and an ample fuel capacity of up to 114 liters, designed for extended shifts in premium crop environments. Engineered for orchard and vineyard use, yet uncompromising on power and control, the 5075GL delivers utility-class capabilities in a form that respects the space and value of specialty agriculture. Ranked 6th, New Holland T4.110 LP, low-profile build, full-spec power. Measuring roughly 1.82 meters wide and weighing around 3 tons, the New Holland T4.11 LP preserves a slender, orchard-friendly profile without compromising capability. Its 3.4-liter FPTF 5C 4-cylinder diesel engine delivers a robust 107 gross horsepower and 444 newton-meters of torque, all while meeting Tier 4B emission standards through ECEGR and DOC, eliminating the need for regeneration interruptions. Operators may select from a variety of transmissions, including 16x16 shuttle command or dual command with optional creeper and park lock features, facilitating precise, clutch-free shifts under load. Its hydraulic system can flow up to 80 liters per minute through dual pumps, controlling up to 4 rear remotes and a Category 1/2 rear linkage capable of lifting to 2,900 kilograms, with an optional front linkage rated around 1,970 kilograms. Stability is reinforced by heavy-duty axles and variable track widths, ranging from a narrow 1,588 millimeters to a broad 2,500 millimeters, which delivers a low center of gravity and slope control ideal for hillside orchards and vineyards. From the operator's seat, the Vision View cab combines flat deck ergonomics, 360-degree visibility, climate control, and intuitive controls, including the Blue Cab 4 filtration system to combat airborne contaminants, while maintaining interior noise levels below 71 decibels A. Merging compact dimensions with full-spec hydraulic, lifting, and ergonomic performance, the T4.110 LP stands out as a purpose-built specialty tractor where neither footprint nor function can be compromised. Ranked 5th, Kubota M5111 Narrow, specialty with utility class muscle. Wider than ultra-compact units but still confined under 2.01 meters, the Kubota M5111 Narrow merges a specialty profile chassis with utility class strength, delivering a maximum gross output of approximately 105 to 106 horsepower and rear power takeoff power near 89 to 91 horsepower. Powered by the refined V3800CR Tier 4 engine, it employs common rail injection, SCR, and DPF systems to meet modern emission standards without sacrificing torque or responsiveness. The drivetrain lineup ranges from synchronized 8/8 reverse to 24/24 reverse power shuttle options, complete with electro-hydraulic shifting and crisp dual-range high-low gear ratios, granting instant clutchless directional changes and overdrive efficiency for seamless field and road transitions. Hydraulic infrastructure features a robust 60 to 64 liters per minute pump capacity, up to 3 rear remotes with independent flow control, and a Category 2 3-point linkage rated for 2,100 to 2,750 kilograms, 4,630 to 6,063 pounds, at 24 inches behind the hitch. Maneuverability is engineered through a bevel gear front axle, bi-speed turning, a limited slip differential, and a tight 4.2-meter turning radius, ideal for navigating vine-lined rows. The operator environment combines function with finesse. An Ultra Grand Cab 2, or ROPS platform, features tilt steering, RPM memory, and ergonomically positioned controls, enhancing productivity during extended shifts. Loader integration is seamless, supporting quick mount coupling, improved rollback angles, and optional Kubota shockless ride for smoother material handling. Compact in form but uncompromising in capability, the M511 Narrow stands as a professional-grade solution where power and precision must coexist in confined environments. Ranked 4th, Antonio Carraro TGF 10900R, low-profile control, slope-grade stability. Standing just 1.6 meters wide and 1.74 meters tall, the Antonio Carraro TGF 10900R embodies a compact yet relentless workhorse. Masterful at navigating tight vineyard trellises and orchard canopies while delivering utility-grade resilience. Powered by a Kubota 3.769-liter, 4-cylinder turbocharged engine producing approximately 98 horsepower, 72.1 kilowatts, it maintains steady performance across varied terrains. Its synchronized 16 forward 16 reverse transmission integrates a shuttle control with an inverter located beside the steering wheel and cruise control, enabling swift, clutchless shifts and effortless direction changes. A robust hydraulic network comprised of dual pumps, 3 double-acting remote valves, including float and return, and a 2,400 kilogram lift capacity with damping-controlled electronic power lift, facilitates precise implement handling under load. The Actio chassis featuring a low center of gravity, differential wheels and steered agility, provides unmatched stability and traction on slopes and in narrow rows, further refined by power-assisted steering and steering brakes for precision maneuvers. The ultra-low profile Protector 100 cab, Category 4 pressurized shelters the operator from dust aerosols and fumes, while offering noise-isolating comfort, silent block mounting, adjustable ergonomics, and a center tunnel cleared of obstructions for seamless ingress and egress. Engineered for specialized agriculture, the TGF 10900R delivers a compact form and unwavering control. Where others struggle, it performs like a panther among the rows. Ranked third, same Frutteto CVT 115S, compact form, orchard class power. Barely 1.41 meters wide yet weighing over 3.5 tons. The same Frutteto CVT 115S exemplifies precision compact engineering for modern specialty agriculture. Its FarmMotion 45 four-cylinder engine delivers up to 116 horsepower, with an overboost function peaking at 126 horsepower and 444 newton-meters of torque, while offering 600-hour oil service intervals and enhanced noise suppression. The continuously variable transmission allows for infinite speed variation, up to 40 kilometers per hour at reduced RPM, improving efficiency and control in tightrope maneuvering. Traction and terrain adaptability are enhanced by active drive independent front suspension, electro-hydraulic four-wheel drive management, and auto-locking differentials. The hydraulic system supplies up to 68 liters per minute for implement work, plus a separate 42 liters per minute dedicated to steering, supporting up to 4 remote valves and rear linkage lift capacity up to 3,800 kilograms. Front linkage options add another 1,500 kilograms of lifting force. The cab, mounted on hydraulic silent blocks, offers Category 4 pressurization, a flat floor layout, no central tunnel, and full-spectrum operator controls via the MaxCom multifunction armrest. It is engineered for safety, visibility, and comfort under long working hours in vineyards, orchards, and hilly terrain. Every inch of this machine is calculated for control, delivering full-size utility function inside a narrow-body frame where millimeters matter more than horsepower. Ranked second, Deutz Fahr 5115, DF TTV - compact agility, cutting-edge vineyard tech. Slim enough to slip through 1.44-meter wide vineyard rows, yet robust enough to power through demanding tasks, the Deutz Fahr 5115 DF TTV redefines the compact tractor with advanced engineering. Its FarmMotion 45 four-cylinder engine delivers 116 horsepower under standard operation, with an overboost function reaching up to 126 horsepower and 444 newton-meters of torque, all while complying with Stage 5 emissions and extending oil change intervals to 600 hours. The continuously variable TTV transmission enables seamless acceleration up to 40 kilometers per hour at reduced RPM, allowing clutchless directional changes through integrated power shuttle and active standstill functions. Hydraulic performance is driven by a 100-liter per minute load sensing system, complemented by a separate 42-liter per minute steering pump, which supports high-flow implements with precision even under uneven load conditions. The electronically controlled rear linkage lifts to 3,940 kilograms with integrated oscillation damping, essential for implement stability during row-end turns or incline work. Independent front axle suspension with double wishbone design, auto four-wheel drive engagement, 100% locking differentials, and traction control enhance grip and safety in steep or uneven terrain while preserving tight turning radii. A slim hood and compact frame optimize forward visibility and maneuverability, especially within narrow plantations. Inside, the cab features Category 4 pressurization, silent-mounted hydraulics, a flat floor with no central tunnel, and a comprehensive operator interface via MaxCom armrest controls, allowing for precise input with minimal fatigue. In specialist agriculture, where millimeters and torques both matter, the 5115 DF TTV remains an unmatched blend of German-Italian innovation in the compact class. In first place, Fendt 211 V Vario, slim silhouette, Vario class precision. Just 1.22 meters wide at its narrowest track, yet packed with full-spec technology typically reserved for high-horsepower utility tractors, the Fendt 211 V Vario compresses an entire engineering philosophy into vineyard form. Its three-cylinder AGCO-Power 3.3-liter engine delivers 114 horsepower in standard mode, with an intelligent dynamic performance system that automatically unlocks an extra 10 horsepower without driver input, based solely on real-time hydraulic, PTO, or cooling demand. This compact machine moves seamlessly through orchards and vineyards at crawl speed or up to 40 kilometers per hour, thanks to its signature Vario transmission, a continuously variable system with no clutch, no shifting, and no power interruptions, designed to optimize torque distribution and field precision under changing loads. Dual-circuit hydraulics produce up to 104 liters per minute via tandem pumps, managing up to 8 independent rear and front spool valves with adjustable flow control and stackable and custom configurations. The rear 3-point linkage offers over 3,000 kilograms of lift at the ball ends, backed by electronic draft sensing and position memory. Integrated into the drivetrain are front axle suspension, auto 4-wheel drive, 100% locking differentials, and active brake-assisted deceleration, all synchronized through Fendt's TMS, Tractor Management System, which adjusts engine RPM and transmission ratios in real time to maximize fuel economy and implement efficiency. The flat deck cab is fully pressurized to a Category 4 standard, mounted on silent block dampers, and designed around the Fendt digital interface, a unified control system that combines touchscreen monitors, a multifunction joystick, programmable headland management, and isobus integration, all without clutter. Interior noise never exceeds 71 decibels. Outside, the sharply tapered hood and low stance provide unparalleled forward visibility, which is critical for row spacing under trellises or hillside spraying. In terrain where every centimeter matters and every liter of hydraulic flow must count, the 211 V Vario remains one of the most technically advanced tractors in the compact category. Not by brute force, but by control, calibration, and command. Across orchards, vineyards, hillsides, and narrow fields, these machines prove a simple point. Power isn't just measured in horsepower or size. It's measured in what gets done, where others can't go, won't fit, or stop short. Every tractor in this list was engineered not to compete in size, but to deliver where precision matters most. And in doing so, they've changed how performance is understood at the compact level. Because when engineering meets context, and every component is tuned for purpose, smaller doesn't just mean lighter, it means smarter, stronger, and often more capable than expected.